What if there was a way to invest in opportunities you believe in, even when your available capital is limited? That's exactly what margin trading facility does. Margin trading facility adoption is rising across India. More investors are discovering how it works and using it as a part of their investment strategy. We are going to break down what margin trading facility actually is and why investors are using it and how you can explore it responsibly on HDFC SKY. So what exactly is MTF? Let me explain you with a simple example. You want to buy shares worth 40,000 rupees, but right now you only have 10,000 rupees available with you. Still, you can buy those shares with HDFC SKY's MTF facility. So you pay 10,000 rupees from your side. HDFC SKY funds the remaining 30,000 rupees. And for that 30,000, you pay a minimum interest of 9.86 rupees per day. That's it. The shares worth 40,000 rupees gets credited to your Demat account. And they are held as a delivery position, not intraday. This is a regulated facility which allows you to take delivery of shares by paying only a portion of the trade value while we fund the rest. The cost is transparent, the shares are yours, and you remain invested in equity till the time you want. So now let's talk about how margin trading facility is being used in India. Currently, MTF usage stands at approximately 1.15 lakh crore rupees. Even during phases when the market wasn't particularly aggressive, MTF usage grew by over 43% year on year. And last year, there was a phase where MTF saw a 172% jump. That growth was largely due to investors finding out about the facility. So what does this tell us? MTF is not just a market trend. It's becoming a regular tool that investors are using to plan their capital more efficiently. So why does margin trading facility exist in the first place? Because it is not always possible that you have capital ready for the exact time when an investment opportunity shows up. You might spot a good opportunity today, but your available cash might be tied up elsewhere, or you might just be building it gradually. Margin trading facility helps bridge that gap. It allows you to start with lower upfront capital, stay invested in markets, and plan your investment more efficiently. MTF is not meant for short-term profits or aggressive risk-taking. It is designed to help investors build a structured portfolio over time. You should know that margin trading facility is a service that is backed by funding, and funding involves cost, risk, and margin obligations. This is where the platform and the institutional backing matters. HDFC SKY is backed by HDFC Bank. That brings institutional strength, governance standard, and operational credibility. MTF charges are completely transparent at HDFC SKY. HDFC SKY also gives you access to dedicated MTF research. Analysts from HDFC Securities curate researched ideas that are mapped to stocks that are eligible for margin trading facility. These insights are informational. They don't give you investment advice, but they help you make informed decisions. Margin trading facility on HDFC SKY is designed as an ecosystem, not just a credit feature. Alright, so here's how you actually use margin trading facility on HDFC SKY. The process is simple. Step 1. Open the HDFC SKY app and select the stock you want to buy. Step 2. On the order screen, you will see a toggle that says Buy with MTF. Turn it on. The moment you do that, you can see the required margin, the applicable charges, and the funding details all upfront. Nothing is hidden. Step 3. Place the order. Once the order is executed, the shares are held as a delivery position under MTF. You can track everything within the app. HDFC SKY currently offers over 1,100 MTF eligible stocks. These include large cap, mid cap, and actively traded names. Here's another feature of HDFC SKY. If you already own shares in your Demat account, you can choose to pledge them to unlock a margin to trade more. The shares remain with you in your Demat account. They don't go anywhere and are totally owned by you. You will continue to get the dividends on these shares and the benefits of other corporate actions such as bonus or rights issue. The pledged shares are simply marked as collateral. The margin that gets unlocked can now be used by you for MTF. And here's the important part. Interest is charged only when you actually use that margin. If the margin is unlocked but not used, you have to bear no cost. HDFC Sky also provides several tools to help you monitor and manage your funded positions. GTT orders allow you to set price or time-based conditions in advance. When those conditions are met, the order executes automatically. Stop-loss orders let you define your downside risk upfront. This is particularly important when you're using funded positions. Real-time P&L tracking gives you complete visibility into your profits, losses, and funded amount at any given time. When you square off your MTF position, 100% of your funds will be available to use for new MTF positions on the next trading day. And if at any point you want to convert your MTF position to a regular delivery position, you can do that. Just repay the funded amount. Interest is charged only for the period during which the funding was actually used. These features are built to support transparency and risk awareness while using MTF. You can also access detailed reports in the profile section of HDFC Sky app or website and check your day-wise margin, funding taken, and interest charge on it. Margin trading facility is not about chasing returns. It is about planning and managing your capital responsibly. When you use it with understanding and discipline, margin trading facility can offer flexibility and efficiency. Explore MTF on HDFC Sky today and make money matter.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.